Hey guys, all right. We are once again at the South Jetty. We left, packed up our stuff, and went and got some supplies so that we could chill here for a couple of days. And now we are going to cook what I caught today. So catch and cook. Beautiful. First, there's nothing in the pan at all. I'm going to put Cajun seasoning. Make sure this camera's okay. And then this is not Old Bay. This is actually Old Bay with pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Goya, um, chili flakes. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff in here, but we're putting that in there as well. Now we use a bunch of seasoning. We're not drinking the juice or anything. Just the seasoning is just to flavor the water. We have our crab here, and I'm only using the big claws for our dinner. I also have all these claws that we'll be snacking on after I cook this meal. I'll cook those. So what we're going to do here. Can I get the water, honey?
Uh-huh.
The water needs to stay over here. Oh, it is over here. I got it.
Do you want to take this one out?
Yes, please. That's the wine?
Yeah.
Ooh, a full glass. Nice. All right. Check that out. Got some delicious wine here. Before we start, let's do a toast. All right? A wine chug. Oh, nice and warm. Deuces. Cheers.
More to come.
Ah, delicious. Now, we're going to wash our potato. Slightly, nicely rinsed potato.
It's so cold.
Cut it into some chunks. Put the potatoes in first because they take the longest to cook. Everything else will cook easily. I am going to put the onions in with the potatoes because I want my onions really soft. I need a lighter, babe. Thank you. Oh, shit. Oh, it's okay. I'll drink dirt.
No, I spilled it.
Oh, I thought I got the fur in it.
No, I spilled it twice.
Give me the trash bag here. All right. I'm not gonna rinse this. This was wrapped in nature's blanket, so I'm not worried about anything being wrong with that. And then I'm just gonna get this corn and make little slices. We're only gonna use one cob. Only me and the lovely lady. Might not even need all of this. That bowl's gonna snap. Wish we had a bigger pot. Ooh, that's rough at the end. There, we got that there. We got a potato. We got seasoning. All we need is fire. And it's starting to boil. Well, not starting to boil, but we got the fire on. Now, while that's heating up, we are going to chop up an onion. That's going to go right in there with it. I'm going to save some of this onion for breakfast tomorrow. And I like onion, so
Ooh, this is really good.
the same thing. All right, so there you have it. We got the onion. That I'll go ahead and put. It doesn't matter. Corn doesn't get too soft. It's not going to pop or anything. It's not going to get soggy. So the corn can go in. So we got everything in there except for the crab. It really doesn't matter. We can put the crab in there too. I hope it fits.
The shrimp? Oh.
All right, let's hope this fits. Just put it all in. That'll be good. All right. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. Put the crab in. We're going to put a lid on that. We're going to let that baby cook. Stay tuned for when we serve it. Hey guys, what's up? Bow, bow, bow. Check it out. It is done. I don't even know why I got these glasses on. Is that you guys? Oh yeah, that's y'all. Alright, check it out.
Should be given freely and we love Judy, but he used his love as a bargaining tool.
Alright, here we are. It's done. Here you go, look.
You were bargaining, you had expectations that align with what you deserve. You don't hurt your
Freaking amazing.
Oh, that smells so good. It's spicy.
Just trying to
I already tried it. Yeah, I'm sorry. But
dysfunctional.
cooking. What do you do?
Your marriage
Here's the corn. Primo. And then some potato and onion.
Really told me to love
Some potato and sausage. Oh. Oh, that sausage is good. Corn sausage. Oh, the crab.
Me too. Best night's sleep I've had in weeks. It's perfect now. I can't wait to be soup.
Oh my God, that's good. Yeah, that's good. There's a little more in there, so I'm not going to throw that out. Can I borrow that? Will you help me out real quick? Will you come over here? Let me show y'all something. This is what you do when you're in the wild, when you're out in the wilderness, out by the ocean, and you're cooking seaside right here.
Really?
You innovate.
Oh, well, sure.
Bam.
Yes.
Put that right there.
All right then.
Knife.
Meet you at your house.
Great.
You get your knife. Make sure it's kind of thick.
Yeah, me too.
You know, this is just a cheap knife, maybe 20 bucks at Walmart or something. I don't remember where I got it. Hold this for me, please. This is my lovely assistant. Show yourself. She don't want to show her. She don't want to show herself. All right, so you just put it right here on top. Raise it up here. Put it on top. Yep, right there. Boom. Crush it like that. Get it all over your face because that was close to my face. But just peel it off. Thank you, assistant. Look at that meat. Get that shell off of there because I did that a little violently, trying to overdo it for the camera in case I failed. Look at that meat. Yeah, that's good.
The other way, boys. They're not getting it, Patty.
Wedding tomorrow. We gotta get it.
Boys, they went to what I told them.
Nice maple, Patty.
Guys, $5.99 I paid for that chicken.
This is worse.
I just caught like $90 worth of crab. Let me show you all the food I got.
Kirk has 43 jobs.
Would you go talk to him, please? I got my hands full here.
Sandy boys?
Oh, Lucifer tired of them.
Woo.
Thank you. All right, Bradley. Let's give it another go.
Kirk, maybe you wanna
That's
eat
my
up the
bowl
patty a
right
little.
there.
Well, the maypole was an expertise of mine. I reenacted
That's
the
another
whole
brewing.
choreography from the Safety
That's
Dance
got
video.
shrimp in
My
it. The
junior
shrimp's
high
not even
show.
ready yet, so we
We
got potatoes, shrimp, everything else, everything in the same bowl except shrimp added in that one. That's what we got left. That pot still got a bunch in there. Well, not a bunch, but it's got another bowl worth in there. And we got way too much, so. But anyways, Pedro Morales, Morales Outdoors. Hey man, it's only gonna get better from here. Follow, like, share, tell people about us, man. Let's get this going, dude. Come on, be with us. Michigander tearing it up in Oregon. Can't get better than that. Let's go.